Hey everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Di's Shorts. And I'm going to show you how to convert your empty white craft ink pad into your Memento one. So you have a full-size Memento pad that opens and closes like our regular pads. I mentioned this on my video the other day, and I had a few people reach out and say, can you show us how to do that? I'm like, certainly, because this was game changing when I saw this. So I learned about this from Kevin Thiessen, and he said he learned it from, I want to make sure I get her name right, Melissa Winko. And oh my gosh, when I saw this, I was just like one of those, why did I not think about this myself? And I immediately made one of these. So I ordered another one so that I could do a video to show you how easy it is to do. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in the Santan Valley, Arizona. So yeah, so today's just a Di Shorts. It's usually just a quick video, generally. I also do live premieres on Monday, Tuesdays, and then a quick little video on Saturday, which is basically just I speed up a past video, put some really fun music to it, and so hopefully to catch your attention. Maybe you missed something, maybe you are new to my channel, and that's that little incentive that you need to subscribe. So yeah, so that's what it's all about. So I want you to close your eyes while I get my camera adjusted. So hold on. So this is what I showed you the other day. Let me straighten myself up here a little bit. The Memento Tuxedo pad I used the other day. And so yeah, this is basically the white pigment ink. It's a craft pad. And when you order it, it comes with the refill because it comes empty. Now, this isn't how it used to be. I mean, I remember it used to come with it in there. And you usually had to refill it because the white is, you want to keep that, nice and inked. And that gives that, is that called opacity? I don't know, but it's because of the white. So anyway, so when you order it, it comes empty. Let me get the lid open. It comes empty with your white. So if you do need white, then you would ink it up, and all that good stuff. But I'm going to turn this into a tuxedo, Memento Tuxedo. So this is the regular Memento ink pad, how it comes. And then it's a smaller pad, and you take the lid off, and all's fine and dandy. But I love my Memento. I use it all the time because I'm always using my blends. But it can be, a pain in the tutkus, to always have that lid. I always put it upside down so that the ink's always on the bottom. And then, it already comes inks, but you want to make sure it's well inked. So all we're going to do, this is just the Memento Tuxedo Black refill. And all we're going to do is add it to the pad because this pad is empty. This has no ink on it, and I'm just moving it around. You don't want to like over ink it, but like I said, it is an empty pad. So that first time you're going to have to add a little bit more, than you normally would. And then as you are using it, the ink will spread around, right? While you're stamping with it. And then I just have, I picked up some of these cute little baby spoons at the dollar store, but I like them because they're nice and flat on the back. There's no jagged edges that will catch your pad and tear it. And then I just use the back of the spoon and I move that ink around. And then you'll see if you need to add more. But I would, I wouldn't like totally load it. I would ink it up, test it out, and then you'll see, like, because you might go, oh, that's plenty of ink. All right, so my edges are a little white, but that's fine, because like I said, when you start inking, it'll move around. And I'm going to clean this spoon off. Okay, so let me bring a piece of scrap paper. Okay, I've just got some scrap paper here. Okay, and let's get a stamp. So this is just my little, what I have on my desk. Let's see, what do I have on my desk here? I have, Dad, you are the best. All right, so let's see. Love it. So see, as I'm stamping, I'm moving it around, and that also helps to spread the ink. But I wouldn't put any more in that. I would just, you know, keep using it. If you find it, you know, say you're using a big one and maybe your edges are catching, you can always go back and just, you know, add a little bit, you know, on the edge. But it will spread out a little bit. All right, so let me see here. Now what I did when I first got it inked up, let me wash that off again. When I first got it inked up, so I'm going to close it just like normal. Now, so this says white pigment ink, right? Because that's really what it's for. So what I did was I put, like, you know, my label here just to cover all of this, and then I used my label maker. So I just have like a label maker, and then I just how it go? So I just printed that out twice. So I just put it atop here, and then I also cut it up skinny, and I put it here as well. All right, let me see, did it come out? All right, let me print that again. All right, so I'm going to trim this just a little bit because it's too long. I use my label maker all the time. Now, I don't use it for labels to mail packages. You know, I don't use it for that. But, so see, I just want to cover that craft. And then I can put another mailing sticker if I want. And then I'll do another one here. Now this one I'm going to cut skinny because I want it along the bottom there. But I use my label makers on my file folders. I have plastic file folders. And then if I want to reuse a file folder, especially when I have my ink colors that they change every year, I can just peel this off. This peels right off the plastic, and I can reuse the file folders, and I have showed those before. All right, so this is just a little skinny label like that, and I'm just going to put it along the bottom here so that when I have it in my ink pad holder, I can tell that this is the Memento Tuxedo Black. Now this is these that you put on here, right? Let me get my old or my Orchid Oasis. So see, I have these colors on here. So this one has this has like this. It's just black. So I'm just gonna grab the black one, and I'm gonna put it here. So I had an older pad before, and it gave me two, but now this one says Wit, Weiss, and Black. So I wonder if I could take a Sharpie. Let's see. I'm going to take a big Sharpie and just see if I can color on that. Yeah, look at, I just colored over that. So now I don't see that WIT. I want it to be good and dry though, because it's kind of plasticky. Let it dry. So what I'll do is I'll wait till it's really, really dry, and then I can put, you know, one over there if I need to. But one's probably plenty. But I do want to take this off and toss it. All right. Now I also marked the this off. just so that if I'm like showing this on camera and I turn it over and somebody can see this code, I don't want them going, oh, there's the code for this pad, because that's wrong. So that's why on this one I just wrote with a Sharpie, you know, what it was. But so yeah, so there is this. So this is the one I had, you know, filled before, and so it's pretty much covered the whole pad. And then, so I just like that I can close. It's just handy. Now, what you want to do is also, so what you know, these pads, when they close, they automatically move that ink to the top of the pad, right? Because it spins. So just until this really gets soaked into that pad, I'm going to turn it upside down. Just for a day. I don't even know if you need to do it for a day, but just let it sit so that that ink is going to the bottom of the pad. So just turn it upside down, put it on your shelf, you know, out of the way, and then it will be good to go, you know, the next time. And then you have your little refill, and now you'll have like an extra white for the real white pad. So let me show you the real white pad. So here's the real white pad, and I put the 1472 because that is the number I'm always forgetting. That is the number to get the pad and the refill. All right, and then when I go to use it, I usually put white in there. I also, you can see here, I also use it like a paint because it is very similar to a white paint, and I just use my paintbrush, you know, in the lid there. But so now I'll just have, you know, extra white to fill my white pad. Not a big deal. So yeah, so hopefully that will be game changing to you. You can see below the video, I will put the supplies needed to do your own. And sometimes I'm not sure if the Memento refill is available right now, but if you have a Memento pad, you probably have a refill. If not, you know, just watch for that. Okay, so let me say, see you later, alligator. So thank you so much. I can't remember. There was several people that said, you know, can you please show it? And I know I am a visual learner, so I like to see things done. So anytime that's the case, because sometimes I'll mention something in a video and I don't actually show how it was done. So I thought, oh, the die shorts was perfect time to do this a cute little thing, because I have heard from quite a few people. I had a few people order the white pad in order to do that, and like I said, it's just game changing and it's just a simple thing, totally simple. All right, so I'm going to stop blabbing. Have a great weekend. I will see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday with a Twist. And thanks so much for spending some time with me this week. I really appreciate it. All right, have a good weekend. I'll see you later. Bye for now.